Thank you, Donnie. So we were waiting at another stoplight, and all of a sudden we hear tires squealing behind us, and this white car back there came a little closer than we would have liked. Jeez. Some people's New Year's are off to a worse start than others. Well, she told me she didn't find any problems and to come back in a year. Yep. Apparently I need to be really careful about bug bites, or I end up with a permanent little lump wherever they were. Right. But other than that, I'm good. So I'm pleased with that. The outside temperature is 56. It is starting to cloud up a little bit here on us, I guess, ahead of that rain we're going to have tomorrow. And a lot of people are back to work today, I think. Don dropped me off at the Hallmark store. Looks like the stuff is 50%. I only see one Star Wars or Star Trek ornament left, and I don't know that that's one I particularly wanted. I might go back again in a week, and stuff goes down to 75% or 90% and take one more look, but I didn't pick up anything today. Smooth, Donnie, very smooth. Thank you. Don's favorite, and I emphasize favorite, household appliance.
Oh God.
The dishwasher. Yeah. Has been giving him fits again. And we're just gonna browse dishwashers.
Yeah, I'm gonna take some brochures home and flash them in front of the one we've got and let it know if it gives me too much grief. I'm gonna, there's gonna be a replacement in its future.
Yeah, poor Don. If he had, could actually charge a service call for every time he's had to do something to that dishwasher, he would have made a nice tidy sum of money. Don's trying to get the nice gentleman to find him one with an old school knob because he doesn't want to deal with these computers in his dishwasher anymore. And I told him we need one that's Wi-Fi enabled or has a, preset timer thing on it so it just runs every night at 10 o'clock. I don't want one with just knobs. Well, the ones they have here to look at, this one is in the running. LDT5678ST. And I can easily lift and lower the rack. I like these buttons better than the one on the KitchenAid or the GE, and it also has the third rack, which we don't have now and probably can make good use of. It would not be a trip to Home Depot if you did not stop and check out the Ryobi equipment. Just saying. I'm thinking that's a floor cleaner, and I'm thinking I would like that for the garage. So I used the Instant Pot this afternoon to make a ham broth. Not chicken broth, not beef broth, but ham broth. And it looks like it's turned out pretty good. I need to pull the bone out and strip the meat off. I am going to use that broth to make split pea soup, which we all love. I could do that in the Instant Pot, but I think I'm going to be out of space. So I'm going to actually let that cook in the Dutch oven here. The big pot on the stove. But I've got my veggies cut up and ready to go. Onions and carrots and a little celery and some garlic. And I've got my peas and that nice broth. And I'm thinking it's going to come out pretty good. How'd I do?
You good. Yum, yum.
Well, I'm not going to give you a close-up of split pea soup because it's just not one of those things that photographs well. We just take my word for it. Doing the broth in the Instant Pot and then the soup in the, on the stovetop worked out well.
Really good.
Yeah, and a little tip, if you happen to have sauce with sugar from the spiral ham.
Oh, yeah.
Put that in there. Make sure to include some, if not all of that, in with the broth, and that's just my tip.
Never always put sugar in your soup.
Right. We're going back keto on Monday for sure, But we got to finish up the little bit around the house, and yeah, we kind of went off the wagon, but it's been a good holiday, so there's that. Donnie made me watch this really sad television program. I was basically in tears.
Yeah, the name of it was Pick of the Litter. It's about puppies, raising puppies for the guide dogs, and the poor families, after almost 2 years, they let them go back for college, basically.
And it was like I felt each and every one of those let goes. It was, I would want to do it, but I would, at the SPCA, when you can't return your foster, we call that a foster fail, and it happens a lot. Yeah.
experiment, huh?
Yep, M for Miller. It better be just clouds, right? I pulled up and I've been playing 2048. Everybody knows I love my little black cat. It's hard when you're supposed to be buying presents for other people. Hear that the holiday extravaganza is coming to an end. And somebody came out with a buggy full of elves. I'm letting Ruby park. And I got the green tree up. This is the official track transportation mode. It's track day?
Yeah, but I'm hitting all the apexes.
Oh, I missed it. Dang it.
And my girl, if she's wearing
Pokemon in without me and getting shinies.
I told you I.
Well, it's shorter. I'm very pleased. I can see some far heads. This is a 90-degree to the right. That the Rainbow Road still worked. A little bit of a hike in. The bags are not tight. Those coats are heavy. How many coats do we have?
63.
I'm gonna say it's a win. 164 pounds, way cool. She's styling. I'm thinking that's you shopping.
Yep.
shirt on. I got my best bud.
Yes. Oh God. Hi, buddy.
Oh
my gosh, my new favorite backpack purse.
Don's going for his run. I'm headed to Guardian Angel. So Christmas is marked 50% off today. I'm sure we'll check it out. Oh God, we just got rear enders made, Johnny.
But I could use some cookies. Particular individual at Tesla knows everything that goes on.
The one who sets it up.
Yeah,
Right,
yeah,
Johnny
Johnny's
gets
gonna
to set it up. Don's being very industrious this morning to try out the new fancy coffee grinder. Good morning.
Hi, what you want?
Working on his rototiller project. He's made good progress.
It's not trivial taking out the smaller switch.
Not work or work.
I think Ellie likes it.
You think?
Just love it when we visit and they have a meeting of the mind. What does that mean?
I'm driving.
Nicely done, sir. That was awesome.
We're here at the Tesla meetup event in Wermont.
trying to get me, Dawn, and the love sign in here.
I thought she was taking a picture.
Well, I